Now this is what inclusion looks like. Let's find my perfect match. This is 513 brown suede. $517 in the shade amber. $509 in the shade sandalwood. $605 in shade rich mahogany. This is $609 in shade sienna. This is shade 613 in honey java. I think one of these three foundations will be my perfect match. Let's see how I do. I'm gonna start back up with 505 in the shade rich sable. That's a no. That one's a bit too ashy for me. For my second choice, it'll be 509 in sandalwood. Is it just me, or is foundation matching some of the hardest stuff that you'll ever do? It's so difficult. It's still giving really light and not enough melanin for me. Hard no. Let's try shade 517 in the shade amber. Let's do a little bit more of that. That might be my color. Yeah, I think 517 in amber is my perfect shade out of all of this. So this is like a medium coverage foundation. This side has foundation and this side does not. This foundation feels very breathable. I really like the coverage. It's very natural. It's gonna give you that nice dewy finish without doing too much. I have oily skin, so I love the healthy illuminance look that this foundation is giving me. You guys let me know what you think about that color match. Do you think I should have picked a different shade, or do you think this one's good? This is giving me my skin, but better. And I love that for me. The best part about this foundation is that it's deeply hydrating. Like, I can feel it. My face doesn't feel like I have a mask or plaster on. It feels breathable. Like, it definitely feels like a second skin. I definitely think that I'll be pulling for this more, definitely during the colder winter months. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.